How to change notification sound on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the notification sound on Grindr. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, tap on the profile icon on the top left. Then after, go to settings from the bottom. As you go into settings, you will find the notification settings option under notifications. Tap on it. Then after, you can adjust various notification settings such as if you want to get the sound while getting notifications or not. Furthermore, you can also adjust vibration and alerts. If you don't want the sounds while receiving notifications from Grindr, you can simply disable this option and then tap on OK. Furthermore, you can also disable vibrations and alerts. However, if you want to change the sound of a notification, then you'll have to go to your device settings and then change it from there. So for now, let me enable the notifications. After that, what you need to do is go to the settings of your phone and then go to notifications. As you scroll on the notifications, you'll find this notification sound option. Tap on it. Then after, you can tap on notification sound and then select the sound that you want to use. So in this way, you can easily change notification sound of Grindr. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.